meghalayapost.news.
So it's totally wrong. And if we see, our campus is very green. The greenery is there. So it's what to say. In Assamese we can say that "paltu ka baat hai." In Hindi we can say that.
Okay.
Chancellor ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm mendagasngi ula kentaj mardor ya kejingkeno Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma ba kejing slai chegoti kedai ke ba kejing tuat ke na ketika skulba kemalak pau dangshen hakilap thai kebor ke Jela Assam haba kentaj ya ketika jingkeno Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam kamdei setia bala kentaj tang Chancellor ke Ustm Hok Hendai nado ki faculty members bagi Samla Pule kila Pynrem jor ya ketika jingkeno jong Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam bar kila keno ru ba ketika jingkeno jong kedai ke ba klem nongrim setia Chancellor ke Ustm bat kentup ru ya ki faculty members bat ki Samla Pule kila yo lat ban persyai bat ban Pynrem halol ketika jingkeno Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam kedai hadian bang mentarsi na kalian kinong thok kebor ke Jela Meghalaya kila le ban jurip ya ketika skulba na ke bentawan wat jingshai halol ketika ke jingsha keno bat ke jingslai ha Guwahati kedai ke batut ke na ketika skulba Hagani kasngi na kaliang Chancellor ke Ustm Hok ula pensisharu baga jingslai chegoti kedai kebla syukno klem nongrim do Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam ula elamru ya kakunhon kinong thok kebor ban peni halor kilat kelenti baga ketika skul ba kumno ka yadai ka mariang bawat ke batut na ketika skul ba ru kam sim la tu syaga serok ba lanyo tangki benta ba khamat ke skul ba kataru la le da kanala ke bapaka ban pensisha halor ketika jingsha kuno ula elamru syaki artili kipung ki ba pentut ya ke ke bami na ketika skul ba bar ke kam sim la tu syaga serok bar ke jingkno Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam kolong ke baklim nongrim setia nolor kata ula ya thuru bawat ki jabo bami na ketika skul ba ru kidon la gejong ban berat ya ki jabo ban nolor kata jan barok ke jaka hapo ketika skul ba la thung de giding bat ketika jaka ke jengam la bani tang haplau ketika skul ba bat ki benta bati lum kimdai setia ke jaka jongka Ustm kebakikam kebakham kata susu kolong bo Menteri Rangba ke Jela Assam upunan kamru de kektian nyam flood Jihad hakba kani kalakta ya kejing sngo jong barok kinong trei ki Samla Pule bat khamtam mau kum Chancellor namar ke jingdon jong ketika skul ba kamdei na benta kanyam bat kadei na benta ban kentiu ya ke puli puthi ki Samla omtang na ke Jela Meghalaya bat Assam bat ke Jela ka than chete lamingi kari India bat hakari India hi barok kowe
You see, regarding the flood, artificial flood in Guwahati, we all have seen that it is happening there in last few days. It was heavy rain. We are located nearly 6 kilometers away from the Guwahati city, and you know that we have altogether 100 acres of land here. We have been working from last 2011 for Ustm and from 2009 onwards for the engineering college. And suddenly this blame came out that we are responsible for that. We have nearby other institutions, lots of other development is going on nearby, lots of art cutting is there. But anybody who enters in this campus, they appreciate seeing our green coverage. We are developing some areas where art cutting has been made, where we have to, because it's a hillock, so we have to develop land, we did it. But immediately we did afforestation here, and we have developed the entire land, and we are a designated green campus. Green campus is not only that there will be sufficient plantation. Green campus means in building also we have to have lots of mechanisms, lots of technologies are there we are using. Similarly, the entire drainage of water, we have a very systematic, you have gone practically, you have seen that how we are maintaining the drain. Similarly, used water, that must be drained out in the form of clean water. So we are doing all doing cleansing works and using the wastewater recycling plant in the hostel, and also we're trying to make it reusable, but here it is not required, so we are just putting it down to the drain. Similarly, we have where the laboratories are there, we are using effluent treatment plant, and we are making the water clean and draining. For the rainwater, you have seen that the elevation of the entire plot of the land, the front side is downward and the back side is a plain, and where we have 4 or 5 water harvesting natural pond where we are accumulating the waters. From the construction areas, we have a dedicated line of water flow and it is directly going to a separate reservoir where you have seen. And in certain cases when water is overflown, then some water is going out. Otherwise we are accumulating the water. And the drain we have made in the campus, we have lots of scientific work we have made, and after that how much of water will be flown out, accordingly our size of the drain has been made. But if you go to the Killing road, that is a PW road, there is no proper drainage. So lots of water is coming out from the backside of my land, the other areas of the land adjacent where earth cutting has been made. But even I don't think the blame has been given particularly for the Ustm, it is correct. Certainly the road is in the downfall area, it is in the downside, so naturally some water will go out. But there is a proper flow of water through the proper drain, which is not happening. We have all seen. So certainly I cannot accept this kind of blame that university is creating pollution, university is giving, and they are telling that color change hai, different kind of colors. So many things are telling. But we as a university and a reputed organization, we are working nicely. We, if necessary, will collaborate, we will listen them. They can talk about the all certain kind of problems, and already we have made a committee and asked them to do the research that how much of water is coming out from our campus, and if it is necessary, then in the future we will take more remedial measures.
Ngamnum pedang ya kata kajing sak keno mo namar bala rafi pehi ngathai rafi keno namar ka kajing keno kajing ikalong tang namtaka institute kajong dei ke kalong ka ika bapak la kai nation namar ba kam da dei punta recently rafi pej namar rafi ya ka campus kajong ikalong ka green campus nei ngamnum ong ba hoi ba kam dei ni thung pi pindia chum chneng recently ru ngira chdep thung tumba aspa san ko lai spa tuliki medicinal plant kapok ka campus kajong ni mo dingi jupe ya kata ho ngi dangi desna ke nu kajing thau rumo kajing thau la long nu kajing tei kajudon ru kata kajing ya bantung pat ki dieng pat ke mo ndi ong bangi pen ni julor lo na dong sedong tinga thai ben chupenno yani kalong ka babakla nang ta ki khna ki bawan puli hangi ru kinderi tang ki khna na ka state ka jila ka jongi mo na par ka jila jong ka north east ki wan tika long si shangan la ban ong kajing ku ya ka north east hi borok ko we ka institute ka jongi tinga thai nga tingam num pediang ya
Zoology, nature, they are closely related, and the thing is that eco-restoration, there is a term called eco-restoration, that after many bigger projects, construction of buildings, playgrounds, maybe dam, maybe any futuristic railway line system, everything, after the construction there has to be a plantation of trees so that the natural greenery is intact, and we have also done all measures to maintain that. And as madam has said that not only the rainwater harvesting system, even all the chemical effluents that are released from the different departments, that are also being processed by the different chemical treatment plants that are situated inside the campus, so that no untreated things goes out of the campus. So it's a clean and green campus. We have bioenergy this plant also, where the water harvesting system is done, then the biogas it is processed, and even the solar energy. The entire campus have been installed with solar lights, so that all renewable natural resources, energies can be sustained for a longer duration, because we have to think for a sustainable future, and that is how the university is progressing, I believe.
2 years of experience, what I have seen, this particular organization, this particular university is really working hard to enhance the research, the education and the upliftment of leadership qualities of all the people, so that overall upliftment of this Northeastern region can take place. So the vision of this organization is so good. In fact, you can see here, if you see the campus, you can see it's completely a green, clean campus, where our Chancellor, our founder, he has taken care of all those small things. So as for example, if I say, we do the water harvesting here. When the water goes out, the sir and his team, he looks after the thing, that whole thing is get filtered, all the possible, whatever is required, that it's done inside the campus, and then that water goes out. So according to my opinion, of course it's not the cause, that Ustm is causing water crisis, water problem, flood in the Guwahati city. And as far as, if you see, this deforestation and all these are required. In fact, sir is fine, we are cutting few trees, but we are really planting the trees also. And that is why this particular campus is known as Green Campus. And in fact, our university has got lots of certificates, not only nationally, internationally also, that this has been recognized as a green campus. So according to me, what path we are taking, it's a right path. We are not doing any fault, and of course, if we are doing something also, some mistake, then of course we can rectify it. We have got a very strong team, and if I say the policy, the system, everything over here, it's very good. We are having a very clear vision, the upliftment of Northeast region.
That sentence should not be used because it hurts the religion sentiments of the person, because it's like that our Chancellor belongs to that community, so that he can't use that. Our Chief Minister can't use that sentence just because he believe that he is from that community, so he will use this. So it's totally wrong. And if we see, our campus is very green. The greenery is there. So it's what to say. In Assamese we can say that "Paltu ka baat hai." In Hindi we can say that.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's a nice way to measures taken to harvest
Our
water.
Chancellor takes
And
a good amount of measures to make sure that everything is green and well kept. And the environment here is very good as compared to my own place. As I stay in Jihad, I stay in Zoo Road, and there are not a lot of trees you see. But once we enter the campus, you see lots of greenery. So that's what I think about.
Sedang hi marsenyo I katu kajing Kynthoh kapan ketak bahamo kajing snow kajungi namarba hakabaningkong kam omday baka ketak namarba ngapulih hang ni nasno baka ketak engi namar bilong kitrai muluk kani kajaka hang ni kadan po Meghalaya kajungi bat ngasno bahaba ka Kynthoh kumta habau uang ya kani kajaka baka dan hang ni kabamut baka de kajaka lu ni smuthu ru kai kajing temu nang ta kabamut ba ka kabayat nang ni kalitu chatai Pynrem habangiti ibnya ni smuthu jana hiru baka hi barabor haba kayat kangam bahat ni smuthu hang ni kan badai namar kajing bambiang jung ki drain bat ki wei ki facilities kapelong ya ka bakan ne teban shim ya kajing kena ba kita ki allegation ki bawan rak ba kadai nak ni kajaka ka ba pen flood ya kajaka hang tai ngasu kolong ka ba klae namar bal da fishim nadu mensuar la dangi khen nadu ki por ki mensuar nadu shwa bakan dan kani ka institute hang ni iflat ki jujah ni ui ki kot kubor ya kata hitip ha ti kani ka institute ke jungi ke badang dan tang haki chipos nam tam ke ba ka impact ke jong ka haba kaladon bahaswa bakan dan ni hap ngatrai kal kadai ka por ni bengi haban ti benya kataru ti tinalor kataru ngasu banong ba kumbakila pensyai nadu mena ki no hikai ke jungi bat ka jinglong jingman jong kani ka jaka bakadon hang ni pi kajing temu kajongi hang ni kalong nakumta ka babha nga kaweru ka banga kwa banong kalong ba kajing ong ba kum pila sha pila benrap mene ba ula khot yang yakini kitra ba ong banumuan syu hang ni tole si we anut kila bandan kaju kajing sngo ba balengin lek sakate ka jaka ba ka balong ka kum ka jing sni wingi ndring ke ka banga kwa banong kalong ba kajing don kajongi hang ni kam de bangin dadan kata kajing sngo hangamay lani ka jing snow ya ferry yawan hang ni kum sipara nyalong kum sieng sisan yawan pantai ya kalaway ya ka jingnang jing start bani jing tep ni hang ni ya imsuk ya imsan pi hang ni kidan ki paralok ki jongiru ki ba nakani ka jela Assam ka jongi ki bayawan ban kersan ni kita hang tang ila smuthu ke ba kata ka jingkran kalong mo
all parameters, and you see when you will apply for any such kind of accreditation, you have to give all set of documents. It is not like that I have university. We have all these things. Green practice. It is all physical. You have seen effluent treatment plant, water recycling plant, in the other side solid waste management plant. So all these things we have installed. And in the coming days, once this everything will be operational, we have to have a bigger size of machineries. So we have to install all these things. We have a solar light system. We want to make it minimum 50% from the solar energy in the future, so that we can make it a more sustainable and it will be making more economical. You see, I am not knowing their objective that why they have done our cutting. So certainly I am sure that there is no proper drainage. So once such kind of heavy rain is there, automatically it will flow down. So this water may go, but still I cannot say, because the land starting from the Barneyhat area till Guwahati and thousand of hectares of land. And we here at Ustm and also the additional land here, I don't think that alone this particular area is responsible. If there is a responsibility or there is a such kind of problem is there, it will be a cumulative effect of all the flow of water in the GS road. So there must be a dialogue, if there is any such problem. But a growing institution, and after hard work and lots of people are helping us, growing us, and especially I am very grateful to the local people, the local Keling Road people, Maridua people. They are helping, extending all such kind of, and this institution is growing. When such institution, a very healthy institution is growing up and blaming such a blunt way and without any experiment. Yes, I must agree that there is one project is coming up, which is a medical college project. You have also seen practically. Then one side construction is now the construction has come up to the second floor, third floor. The other side we are doing the plantation work. You have seen lots of plantation. We have taken plants from the Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. So these things we are doing, and that's why our 80% coverage of the campus is completely green. And you will not find anywhere a small portion of the land is uncovered. Either it is tree or it is grass, or you will get pakka area where we have done the kind of this thing. So if there is a rain in the campus, whatever the water is coming out from the drain, it is all clean water. 6,000 plus students in this campus studying. Out of that, nearly 1,000 students are coming alone from Guwahati city. So we have our own people staying in Guwahati. Our nearly 80% faculty are staying in Guwahati city only. So this is also our problem. So why being an organization, and we need the blessings and support from all corners. So we are not in a position to create disturbance for anything. It is very surprising and very heartening. Entire community, university here, faculty, students, staff, everyone is very much heartened by such kind of blame. And we as an institution in the coming days, we have a vision to make it a world-class institution. So we have to take all small things in our notice, and we have to correct everything. So if anything is there, already I have spoken to some of the experts, and we are trying to make it another committee so that they can come up and give more practices to make it more such kind of example in front of the other institution, in front of the government, in front of any other stakeholders who can come and see that how we are maintaining our campus. They are coming to this barren land, and it is becoming a city. Every Sunday if you come, you will find lots of people are coming and shooting here. They are kind of this kind of cinema and all these things they are shooting here. So this is becoming a destination. The auditorium we have made, the people of all around they are coming for organizing their event. So you see that the way he has blamed, maybe for his satisfaction, but I cannot use such kind of word. So I am really hearted, and I hope the entire community belonging to this institution, they will condemn such kind of things. We as a university, we are completely a diverse society. We are very much integrated. We have a lots of brotherhood, and even we share our feelings. And this is something, one of the best example in the country, that a university where 57% girl students and all community children from all the northeastern states. If you go any state, you will find that maximum the students from that particular state. But we as a university in the state of Meghalaya, in the bordering area, but having students from all the northeastern states proportionately. Assam is the biggest state, we know, so maximum number of students from Assam, followed by Meghalaya and other all neighboring states. So this is something I must say, this is our one of the best feature of our university, and I must say this is only our strength. And I have not seen anywhere that they have given any statement, but you see, until and unless government is not writing to the government, or they are not officially communicating, I don't think that the intelligence chief minister like Condit Sangma or any other department will respect. So if any letter has been written, communicated, because you see, this is a matter of governance, this is a matter of administration. Any organization like us, we are a self-financed institution. If we have done any nuisance, that ultimately the Assam government cannot talk to us or they cannot communicate. It is their duty to communicate with the state government. State government can make us answerable that why you have done this, why you have done this. So we don't know whether they will be writing, but the entire governance of the government of Meghalaya, they are extending their all kind of support from the day beginning. Whether is any political party in the government, they are always extending help, And because of that support and encouragement and inspiration, time coming, the Conrad Sangma in the last time he has visited, just he has given information wrong. I want to see the development progress in the medical college. Just before 30 minutes. You see, and a chief minister is coming, lots of protocols. But they feel that this is our university and how it is growing. So everyone have a faith on the team of USTM that they are from last 10 years, from only 6 students of biotechnology, today we have more than 6,000 students. And I am confident after this admission it will grow, it will cross more than 7,000 students. And lots of Meghalaya students now they are qualifying competitive examination, they are qualifying NET examinations, and they are getting all such kind of benefit from the university. So I am not knowing that any such kind of communication is there, and we are ready to give any kind of reply.
MeghalayaPost.news